Hey everyone, how you doing? Happy Thursday to you. I'm so excited. Today was a very successful trade day. On top of that, we are getting a lot of things. There's a lot of things in play right now that we're getting ready to make a big announcement on. But that being said, hey, listen here. Today trade day was really good because it really matched the report I put out last night with Coffee and Profits, right? We talked about the fear of missing out. Last night's session just shot way up. So if you was trading the market last night during the night session, you would probably made a nice little good penny. But for those of us that started in the morning, listen, we had a nice little movement going up, and then we had that report. There was really a central report that was coming out today, which was talking about the prior home sales in July. So that report was coming out, which gave us a little pseudo movement up with a hard correction once the report hit and came back out. So came back up to where the levels is supposed to go to. So that being said, you get a chance to see how I was interacting in the market. You get a chance to see what I was thinking while we was in those trades. Okay. No further ado, I want you to watch this video. All right, watch this. You know what? I'm sorry, guys. I keep on forgetting to start the video. I have it open, the app open, but for some reason my brain don't click. Okay, so this, if you haven't been on the call or anything like that, this is the second trade of the day. We were already up $120 before we took this trade. We kind of went in, if you know me, my trading style. So I notice when the market goes into a chop zone, I would look for that crazy shoot in one direction and knowing that it's going to go follow the trend that it was going in. So right now we're going long for this particular trade. However, we are getting very close to where a major economic report is coming out. So I want to be ready here to kind of get out. Probably cut this trade a little bit short. I'm not going to walk it all the way up to the profit pivot point. So let's see. Looks like we're getting a pretty good profit here. We're kind of in the halfway point, and I think, you know what? Let's go ahead and get out here. Good. So we at $305 now. Oh, you know what? I forgot the clock. Shoot. Hold on, guys. Let me pull up this clock real quick. All right. Okay. Cool. Size this back down. There we go. Okay. Hey, listen here, guys. I'm sorry. I'm having a bad technical day, but we're in the profit. So we in the positive, we in the green. So I'm good on that. I don't think I'm taking any trades right now. We kind of seem like we're going back in the chop area per se. Again, like I was saying, there's a major economic report that's about to hit. Me kind of knowing this particular economic product, I don't feel like we're going to have a really good report. So in this the pending home sales of July. So we're coming to the tail end of August, getting ready to go in September. So we always sort of like a month behind on the report. And I just don't feel like there's a lot of houses for sale, but there's not a lot of houses getting sold. Okay, so for whatever reason. And that's how I'm feeling, you know, because I stayed looking at that market all the time. So we'll see what's going to happen. But at this point, I kind of want to, if I take a trade, maybe a little scalp trade, but nothing nothing too exciting. Okay. So let's see. Kind of wait for it to kind of pop out that zone. If you give me a nice correction, then I can gauge how I'm gonna get into this market here. Okay, it's 6:53 in the morning. It looks like we had a nice little correction there. I think I might take a little scalper here, get us in the market. There we go. We're gonna go long, following the trend. We're shooting up here, just like I thought. again, it seems like we're meeting a lot of hesitation there. I really don't trust we're going to make it all the way up to that particular profit point. So, see how it does. I'm going to pay close attention to my EMA. If I feel like we kind of getting too close to it, I'm just going to get out. Actually, you know what? Let's take this profit right here. There we go. Okay, so listen, I'm ending the trade day here at 350 bucks. All right, it is 6:54. I think that's enough for this Thursday morning. I don't foresee me doing anything else, out of the norm here. So I think that's a wrap. I think that's it. That's all I see. Okay, let's go to the sim account. Okay, I definitely don't see anything more here. 6:56. This is the official time of my ending of my trade day. All right. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I really hope that you found a lot of value in this video. Okay. If that being said, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel where you can stay up to date with all the tips and videos and information we'll put out on YouTube, okay? So please subscribe to our channel. We'll really appreciate it. Not only that, if you want to get our Coffee and Profits daily reports, our profit pivot points, all these little cool tips to get you prepared for the trade day before the trade day actually starts, please join us at MIGSuite.com/profit. Okay, go there, subscribe. It's completely free. I want you to be successful in the markets. So listen here, I only have one other thing to say to you guys, and it's I see you at the bank. Bye bye.